Trace, are you a rotten dog?
You rotten dog.
Give your mama kisses.
Better quit.
Give your mama kisses. Give it. Give mama a kiss.
Behave.
Wake mama up. Wake mama up. You better wake mama up.
Hey. Bad dog.
Wake mama up. Give it kisses. Give it kisses right there.
You keep your slimy.
Give her kisses right there. Give mama kisses right there. Right there.
Ah! It's so bad. You need to call that to yourself, boy.
This is our wake up call. We're in Florida. DoubleTruckn. We're in Florida. Gotta wake mama up.
Oh! Trace.
Trace is waking her up. Wake up, mama.
Trace. Ah!
Wake up, mama. Wake her up, Trace. Trace, wake her up. Wake her up. Right there. Wake her up. Right there.
Trace, you something else, boy.
Trace, you love your mama.
Oh my God.
Don't you love your mama?
Oh, he does. He does. You something else, dude. You need to go somewhere. Get off me.
Get off your mom. Get off the pillows.
Get your butt down.
Trace,
Get off my head.
get off the pillows. Trace, get out the bed. Yeah, Trace.
Oh my goodness.
Are you a good boy?
No.
Hush. You wake up the whole FedEx neighborhood. Oh yeah, I hear you. Dena, why do you let this dog do this?
You made him that way.
I did not. What is he? I'll tell you what. He's so vocal.
No, don't come back up here. I'm messing with me.
This is our routine. See?
Trying to mess. No.
Yeah.
You got to let me get.
Wake her up. Wake her up, Trace. Wake her up.
Let me
Get up.
get my eyes.
Tell Mama, get up. Get up. Mama. Get up, Mama. Yeah, I know, Mama. Wake up.
Boy, you.
All right. Tell her, wake up. Trace, tell her, wake up.
Get that butt. I'll get that butt. Boy, you back talking.
He is back talking. Trace, get up here. All right, sit down. Sit down. Let me talk to you. Sit down. You back talking to your mama? Yeah? No, you don't back talk me. Shh. Are you gonna wake up?
Yeah, I'm getting up.
Okay. Anyway, we'll see y'all in a little bit. It's about 7:15 in Florida. Got to get her up because it's time for me to go to bed. Time for me to eat my breakfast and go to bed. Eat my breakfast and go to bed. Anyway, say hello. Good morning.
Morning.
All right.
Coffee.
Huh?
Coffee.
Yeah. Okay. All right. See ya.
Ta-da! I'm up.
About damn time.
I'm drinking my celery juice. That's how Trace wakes me up half the time. All in my ear. Laying on me. Our trailer's still loading, but there's almost 22,000 pounds on it, so it should be ready here any minute. She's back here fixing her some breakfast.
Making my dinner. My breakfast.
Her dinner. It's her dinner time.
Making my breakfast.
I have to pretend like it's dressing to drink it. It's supposed to help with your gut health, inflammation, all that good stuff. I gotta get healthy. I put my dash cam up in the window yesterday. I was determined to get something good. Then nothing happened. It was a good day yesterday, I guess. I flew down through there. Nothing happened good. You got any exciting stories from last night?
Had a guy, my last, 20-some miles coming in, he was in a
There's always
white
something good.
Chevy truck. He was riding in the far left-hand lane. I think he was tired. And he had all of us backed up. He kept braking, kept swerving off of the left-hand. Finally, somebody, I think, called the state trooper on him. State trooper come flying up behind us and got him pulled over.
Oh.
I think he was just tired. But right out of Tifton, I had a truck right ahead of me. He was quite a little ways ahead of me. And right after, I think it was mile marker 100. Right, it was not at Tifton. It was before we got to Tifton. All of a sudden, I see this guy on the emergency lane. He had taken off his shirt, and it was red, and he was just trying to flag somebody down. I think there was somebody laying on the side of the road.
Really?
Yeah, and oh shit, I don't know what the hell it was. But he was trying to flag trucks down. He was trying to flag somebody down. So, I don't know. I don't know what it was.
No car around there?
Well, there was a guardrail, and it looked like something was laying beside him. I don't know if it was a human or what, but he was really trying to flag somebody down. But, we're flying past her at 65, 70 miles an hour.
And it's dark.
And it was, it was so dark. And all of us, he's kind of looked like a drunk. So, I ain't stopping. Buy 2 things last night. I always get to see exciting stuff at night, so kind of interesting. But yeah,
He's always got a story.
I know all the creepers come out at night for me.
I'm gonna gonna put that GoPro back up in that window because I got to go back through Atlanta today.
So you know they just had a music festival here in Florida, and I guess 34 people ended up in the hospital. I just saw them.
Heat.
Yeah, heat. 34 people ended up in the hospital. Yeah, I want to see what's going on in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the traffic going this way.
Yeah, I don't know what that's gonna do to us.
I'm hoping it all hits today, going this way, coming this way.
Oh, I'm mostly concerned about all those exits being closed.
Well, they're not closed. They said they're open to local traffic, so they're not really closed. So, I mean, we have business there, so just we get there late, so we're not there early. So I'm hoping that it's not going to be an issue.
Yeah, I'm hoping not to.
Huh?
I'm hoping not to. Got a big music festival right there at Manchester, and that's where we go to do our bump. It's supposed to be 65,000 people coming in. Yesterday they had all these signs: exit closed, use shoulder, use shoulder.
Manchester, Tennessee. Hey, if y'all want a really good like warm meal, I get this at Costco. They come in a box of like 6 for I think like $8 or so, $7 or $8. And this is cilantro lime. It's organic cilantro lime rice, and it only takes 90 minutes. You just tear off the top in 90 minutes. If y'all
90
have a
seconds.
Or 90 minutes, 90 seconds in the microwave. And it's really good. I have another one. It's a different kind. I'll show it to you, but it's really good. I put a little. I've got Love's carries this little chili lime, or you can put a little. I bring what is it called? Garlic salt on. I'll put a little bit of that on, or I've got that lemon lime stuff. I'll put a little more of that on. But I bring this, and I also bring those packages of chicken or tuna or whatever, and put it in with this. But this is good stuff. It's really good.
Didn't you
warm meal.
Did you eat shrimp with it yesterday?
Yeah, I brought shrimp. I cooked some shrimp up before we came out this week, and chopped some shrimp up and some avocado, and put it all together with this, and it's really good for a warm meal. If y'all want a warm meal. I mean, some of us aren't into cooking 4-course meals out here, but I like a warm meal. This is what so anyway, y'all heading down to Tennessee.
Yeah, I'm kind of dreading that because I really don't know what the traffic's going to be like. I don't know what.
We got 2 more trips.
I just don't know.
And one's right into Manchester, so I think we need to call KC and see. We might get canceled for that load.
We might. I don't know. Although they might have a different meeting spot or something.
Yeah.
I'd check on that.
Yeah.
It really won't hurt my feelings if it's canceled. I won't cry or nothing. Only for about 5 minutes. So we ended up getting the bump, and we got reassigned to a different location. Finished out our week. Got home yesterday about 3 or 3:30. The camera on my phone is having an issue with memory, so it keeps cutting off in the middle of the video. So I apologize for the way that video ended. Anyway, so DoubleTruckn, we just are enjoying this. We're having a good time. We'd love for you to hit like. We'd love for you to comment. This is just a video while we were waiting on our load in Ocala.
comment on things maybe that you like to fix on the truck to eat. Quick food, hot food, cold food, whatever. Like, subscribe, share it with somebody. Give us a reason to stay on here and continue sharing our life on the truck with you. We love you guys. We appreciate your support. And we will check you later.
I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life.